In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule for school with Google Calendar. We'll start right from the beginning and build a clean, dedicated school calendar you can reuse all semester. First, open your browser and go to google.com. In the top right corner, click the Google Apps grid, then choose Calendar. That takes you into Google Calendar, where we'll set up a separate space just for school. On the left side, hover your mouse over the section labeled Other Calendars. A small plus icon appears. Click that, then choose Create New Calendar. This makes it easy to keep your school events separate from personal plans. Give your calendar a clear name, like School Schedule, so you can identify it quickly in the sidebar. When you're ready, click Create Calendar. Once it's created, head back to the main calendar homepage to start adding your classes. Now let's add your actual class schedule. Click the Create button. In the event title field, type your class name, for example, Math 101, so it's obvious at a glance. Next, set the start and end time for that class based on your timetable. To make this repeat automatically, open the repeat options where it currently says does not repeat and change it to weekly on Monday. If your class meets on other days, repeat these steps for each day it occurs so everything aligns with your weekly routine. Before saving, make sure the event is assigned to the correct calendar. Open the calendar selector inside the event and switch it to your school schedule calendar. This is important. It keeps your class events grouped together so you can show or hide them with a single click. When everything looks right, click Save. You'll see your first class appear on the calendar. Continue adding the rest of your classes the same way. Title, time, weekly repeat on the appropriate day, assign to school schedule, and save. Finally, add your exams and quizzes. Use the Create button again, give each event a clear name, like Midterm or Quiz 2, set the correct date and time, ensure the school schedule calendar is selected, and save. Keeping assessments on the same calendar makes it easy to scan your week and plan study time around them. That's it. You now have a dedicated school calendar, recurring class events, and your key exams and quizzes all in one view. This setup helps you avoid conflicts, stay on top of deadlines, and quickly see what's coming next.